swimmers surface, and it looks as though Michael Anderson in lane 5 may have the slight advantage. Justin Zook from the United States is the reigning Paralympic champion in this event. He's also a bronze medalist in the 50-metre freestyle at Athens. And it's really going to be a touch in it to see who's leading at the halfway mark of the race, but it looks as though Justin Zook from the United States, the defending champion and the current world record holder, has a marginal advantage, but Michael Anderson from Australia may have just a hand in front at this stage. They're going stroke for stroke in lanes beside each other. It's going to be a very tight finish. As the crowd gets to their feet, it looks as though Zook may have built the tiniest lead, and he will touch in for the gold medal. So Zook 101.29.